Congratulations, dear. What did you just do?
I finally got the outside done.
Completely.
Had to go through this dish 3 times before I finally found that little bitty one right there.
That one that I looked so long for.
Yeah. Shoot.
And you got it.
I got it.
He hated getting a big puzzle like this. But look what he did. He would not give up.
I got it.
He likes to whine, but he really likes to do
It's
stuff.
hard.
You like it that way.
No, it's hard. What's bad is you get it together, then you gotta tear it apart.
Well, unless you glue it to the board.
No, I don't want to do that.
No, you know what he does is he'll take it apart in sections, so that when he puts it together, if it'll already be mostly put together. Look at that beautiful sunrise. What's the saying? Red sky at night, sailor's delight. Red sky in the morning, sailor's day morning. I doubt that that's very true, but this is really pretty. And we're on land. The black pearl just came on. Made me think of that. Anyway, we got a beautiful sunrise, which most of the time I'd rather not see. Rather be sleeping. Hello, everybody. Me again. Yeah. I've got a couple more birds to do. But I did one, and this is what I did. Some kind of a little wren or something. And so I have one more to do. And Joe got the edges of the puzzle. I've got that videotaped. Because he finished all those edges for all his whining. I give him trouble, that's all. And I don't know what else. Figuring out what one. There's another +1 coming. And her name's in the computer, but I forgot. So we'll have to get to the computer and figure that one out. I need to teach Joe how to read that computer. He's been on mine before, but it had to be one specific program, and that's all he had to learn. But I don't think he's unwilling. Not anymore. I think he just needs to learn, and I'm on there all the time. Okay, one more bird. What one more bird do I want to make? That's what I have to figure out. I just dropped my oxygen. Okay. It's being a pain today. It's a new one. I had to get me a new one of these, and my oxygen wasn't going through. I mean, I was getting just a trickle. I thought, this ain't right. Because I had already just changed this. Anyway, I started feeling along my green tubing. I guess it's going to hold. Started feeling along my green tubing, and about a couple feet away, it was just blowing out oxygen. Big old leak. So we changed that too. So now I got to order some more. What do you think? There we go. Okay, I don't think I need any more birds right now, but I do need to let these dry. I might make one for me later on after all this to-do is over with. I might make a couple of butterflies. I had birds on the brain. I was a bird brain. Okay, now I'm gonna go out and see what Joe's doing. There he is. What you been up to?
Putting money and apples.
Filling bags and...
What I do with Angie James leave.
I don't know. This hair's?
No, it's in hurry.
This is, that's Jay's and them. What?
I found it.
He found it. See, this is what we do. Some years it's baskets, some years it's totes. Used to be 3, and now it's 6. We've added 3 families. 7? Oh, that's right. We got 4 grandkids out on their own. Felicia's old enough, but she likes being home. She doesn't really care to move out yet. So anyway, we still got his globe and stuff in here because we still have our tree up, which will be up for a bit longer. Anyway.
Bye.
Did you hear him?
Bye.
Bye-bye. Oh, there's some light. Smile and wave, go share it. We all need to smile. Sometimes I get ridiculous. Anyway, love you all, and we'll see you tomorrow. Probably. Love you, and goodbye. I can't say goodnight. It's bright light out.